Hello students, welcome. Namaskara ellargu. So welcome to the class. So today we are going to discuss matrices chapter. Second PUC matrices. This is your Mahi sir logging in. So we are going to solve the questions today. Synopsis nodkonbani. Yarar synopsis nodkondilla. Please go through the synopsis video of matrices and determinants. So without further delay, we are going to start the class. And by the way, this is a very easy chapter, scoring chapter. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And I'm very sure the 20 problems what we are going to do now in the classroom discussion and also the home assignment problems that will give you enough subject grip. ತುಂಬಾ ನಿಮಗೆ subject grip ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so without further delay, let us start the problems. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ basic problem ಇದು matrix product ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು, product of two matrices. So what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 2 cross 3 and the order of this matrix is 3 cross 2. So finally I am going to get a 2 cross 2 matrix, correct? The result will be 2 cross 2 matrix and I can multiply. How to multiply? First row, first column, first row, second column. So first row, first column. So minus 1 plus 0 plus 0. First row, second column. Minus 3 plus 6 plus 0. Second row, first column. 2 plus 0 minus 8. 2 plus 0 minus 8. Second row, second column. 6 plus 2 minus 4. So this will give me the answer as minus 1, 3, minus 6 and 4. Minus 1, 3, minus 6 and 4. Option D will be the answer. Okay. Simple multiplication of two matrices is done here. So this will be option C. Minus 1, 3, minus 6, 4. Only minus 4 is there. Option C will be the answer. Find the inverse of the matrix A. Students, please recall the basics. The basics is A inverse into A is equal to I. A into A inverse is equal to I. This basics you have to understand. So what I am going to do now, I am going to multiply A inverse on both sides. And 0 into A inverse is 0. 0 matrix into A inverse will give me 0 matrix. 0 under 0 matrix, by the way. It is the 0 matrix. So multiply A inverse on both sides. So when I do that, so 0 into any value is 0 only, 0 matrix only. So A inverse into A square can be written as A into A minus A inverse into A plus A inverse into I is equal to 0. A inverse into A can be written as I. This will be I. A inverse into A is I. A inverse into the other matrix will give me the A inverse only into. So I into any matrix will give me the other matrix. So I into A is A. A inverse into I is A inverse. So this will be A minus I plus A inverse is equal to 0. So A inverse is nothing but I minus A. I minus A will be the answer. Okay, that will be option B. Option B will be the answer. A inverse is I minus A. Third question. If A is a 3 cross 4 matrix and B is a matrix such that A dash B and B A dash are both defined. So what is defined here? A dash B is defined and B A dash are defined. So what is the order of B in the kelta? So what is the order of B they are asking? Okay, fine. Now students, so my A is 3 cross 4, correct? So let me take B as A cross B ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ for time being. A dash ಏನಪ್ಪ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? A dash is 4 cross 3 and B dash is 3 cross 3. Correct? Transpose andre the rows and columns will interchange. That is the meaning of dash. So ಈಗ a dash value ನಾನು substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So a dash is 4 cross 3 and b value a cross b. Okay, b value is a cross b. Fine. Now students, if you observe carefully, for matrix multiplication to happen, these two must be same. Iveradu same ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. So 3 is equal to a ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. So a is equal to 3 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. a is 3. Fair enough? Now I will go for the second one. b a dash is also defined. So b value is to b value is a cross b. A dash value is to a dash value is 4 cross 3. 4 cross 3. For this multiplication to happen, these two must be same. So my b value will be 4. So b is equal to a cross b, which is nothing but 3 cross 4 is my answer. The answer is 3 cross 4. This is defined. For this has to be defined. 3 and a must be same. This is defined. For this has to be defined. B and 4 must be same. Ashte logically. So A is a square matrix. Please recall the basics. So if A is a square matrix, this is written as half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash, right? So A plus A dash is nothing but symmetric. This is symmetric. So this will be skew symmetric. This will be skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric and skew symmetric. So A plus A dash is symmetric. That will be the answer. A minus A dash will be skew symmetric. What is the type of this matrix? Okay. See, if you observe, the diagonal elements are 0. The diagonal elements are 0 in the case of skew symmetric matrix, and let us check the other values. So, 5 is there, minus 5 is there, no problem. 7 minus 7, 11 minus 1. So, this is basically the skew symmetric matrix. That's all. Diagonal matrix andre, these values will be there, and the other values will be 0. Diagonal elements will be present, some values other than 0, and remaining values are 0 in the case of diagonal matrix. So that is not diagonal matrix, and of course it is not a symmetric matrix. It is basically skew symmetric matrix. Yeah, let us find this. Let us find the alpha value. So you first go for a square. What will be your a square? Alpha square plus 0, 0 plus 0. So alpha plus 1, alpha plus 1, 0 plus 1. Okay. So this can be written as alpha square 0, 1, alpha plus 1. Correct? Alpha square plus 0, 0 plus 0, alpha plus 1. So 0 plus 1. So now they given a square is equal to b. So what is your a square? Alpha square 0, alpha plus 1, 1 is equal to b value is 1051. So now I am going to get two values here. Ready? For the equation has to be established between two matrices, the corresponding elements must be equal. Alva? So if you observe carefully, so alpha square must be equal to 1. So this implies alpha is equal to plus or minus 1. At the same time, idu kuda equal agbeku. Alpha plus 1 is equal to 5. So alpha is equal to 4 anta bandide. Okay. There is a dilemma here. If I put alpha is equal to 1, so this is satisfied. Whereas this I'm getting 2. So 1 I can't take, even minus 1 also I can't take. Because this will become 1, this will become 0. If I take 4, this will become 16. This will be 5. So this also I can't take. So the point here is no value of alpha can satisfy this equation. So alpha is not defined. So the answer is none of these. None of these will be the answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ 1 4 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕೇವಲ ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇವಲ ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. I3 is the identity matrix of order 3 ಅಂತ. So let me go for AB. AB is equal to I. I will deal with I later. So first let me go with AB. So AB can be written as first row, first column. I will do directly. So 1 ones are 1 plus 0 plus 0. First row, second column. So minus 2 plus 2 plus 0. Correct? 1 into minus 2 minus 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 0. First row, third column. Y plus 2 plus 0. Sorry, 2 into 0 0 plus x. Correct? Next, second row, first column. So second row, first column I will do. So 0 plus 0 plus 0. Second row, second column I will do. 0 plus 1 plus 0. Second row, third column. 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next, third row, first column. 0. Third row, second column. This will be absolutely 0. Third row, third column. 0 plus 0 plus 1. Okay. So this will give me 1 0 x plus y. Okay. You don't have to write this. No need. Waste of time. So simply this value is equal to I3. I3 means 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. So this is 1 by the way. So now if you observe carefully students, so this is 0 anyway. So x plus y must be equal to 0. X plus y must be equal to 0. Then only it will be an identity matrix. So the answer is x plus y is equal to corresponding elements matching. Corresponding elements matching. No big deal. So I'll go with 0a b0 square. First I'll do square. First row, first column. 0 plus AB. 0 plus AB. First row, second column. 0 plus 0. Second row, first column. 0 plus 0. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. So AB plus 0. So this will give me AB 0 0 AB. So this is this value to the power of 4. Okay. So 0a b0 to the power of 4 can be written as 0a b0 whole square into 0a b0 whole square. Correct? So that whole square value is ready with me. AB0 0 AB, AB0 0 AB. First row, first column. A square B square plus 0. I think this much is enough. So first row, second column 0. So this will be 0 and this will be A square B square. And this value is equal to I. This value is equal to I. So this implies, so LHS is A square B square is equal to 1 0 0 1, right? So I can equate these two. So when I equate a square b square is equal to 1. So ab is equal to root of 1, which is equal to 1. So the answer is 1. 1 is the answer. Nice question. Find a into a dash. Cos theta, sin theta into a dash. Cos theta, sin theta cos square plus sin square. Alva. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. This will be 0. So minus sin theta cos theta plus cos theta sin theta 0. This will be minus sin square. Okay. Minus into minus plus sin square plus cos square. This will be 1. This is nothing but I. I is the answer. Okay. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ. Tenth question. Oh, okay. So 1 by 40 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. I'm going to multiply these two. First row, first column. So when I do the first row, first column, so what will I get? So 5 5s are 25 plus 0 minus 25. Correct? So second row, first column. Second row, first column. So minus 25. 5 5s are 25 plus 0 plus 13 5s are 65. Third row, first column. 50. 0. So this will be 40. This will be 80. So when I divide by 40, I'm going to get 0, 1, 2. Correct, Appa? 0, 1, 2. So x, y, z is equal to 0, 1, 2. So x plus y plus z is nothing but 3. X plus y plus z is equal to 3. Sum of all these three values. Okay, very easy. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ. Just I have multiplied these two. I got this expression. So divide by 40. So 0 by 40 is 0, 1, 2. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 is the answer. Okay, students, next question. 11th question. So if A and B are two matrices of the order, so the order is 3 cross m of A, this is your A, and B is 3 cross n respectively, and m is equal to n, so these values are equal. Okay, no problem. Then the order of the matrix 5A minus 2B. Now students, one thing you remember, two matrices are added if their orders are same. Two matrices are subtracted if their orders are same. Correct? A plus B and A minus B, that it is done when the order of the two matrices are same. Remember. Okay. Next, when any scalar value is multiplied with a matrix, the matrix order will not change. ಈಗ 2 ನ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ಆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ 5A minus 2B. So this implies A and B are of same order. That is the one thing. And what is the result of this? The result of this is also of same order. Order ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ವಿಚಾರ ಬೇರೆ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್, ಸೊ 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ m ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ, 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ m ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, 3 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ n ಇದೆಯಾ, ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, because B. So B order will follow everywhere. So B order and A order are same basically. 3 cross n is nothing but 3 cross m only, because m is equal to n. So the answer is option B. Again, simple question. So equation, when do you think matrix equation is established? When the corresponding elements are equal. So 4 is equal to 4, x minus z is equal to 3. 2 plus y is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 3 ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. y is equal to minus 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. these two we can delete options. So x minus z is equal to 3, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, x minus z is equal to 3. So it will become 5 plus 2, 7. So this cannot be the answer. So the answer must be this, because 5 minus 2 is 3. You don't have to solve it. Solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. xz is equal to 10, x minus z and so on, you continue. So which is the lengthy method. The easy method is, see, y is minus 3. So y is 3 here, delete. That is not the answer. This is also not the answer. Now go for this condition, x minus z is equal to 3 ಹೋಗಿ. So when I approach here, so this is giving me 7. 5 plus 2, 7 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 5 minus of minus 2 is 7. So here 5 minus 2 is 3. So this will be the answer. No need to do the algebraical way. That will kill time. Similar question. Just multiply the two matrices. First row, first column. So 2 into x plus y. 2 into x plus y minus y. 2 into x plus y minus y. Next 2 to the 4x. So minus 4x. 2 to the 4x minus x minus y. Okay, 2 to the 4x minus x minus y is equal to 3 comma. So this will become 2x plus 2y minus y is equal to 3. 2x plus y is equal to 3. 2x plus y is equal to 3. Next one ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. Second equation. Second equation is 4x minus x plus y. 4x minus x plus y is equal to 2. So 3x plus y is equal to 2 on the one. Okay. So this I will call it as equation 1. So I call it as equation 2. So now what will I do? I will do equation 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2 will give me. So 3x minus 2x is x is equal to 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 and bರುತ್ತೆ minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This will be minus 1. So now let me get the y value. So take this or that, whatever. So 2x, we'll take this only, plus y is equal to 3. So this will be minus 2 plus y is equal to minus 3. Correct? So y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus. Just check once. I have done a small mistake here. See, this is minus 2 plus y is equal to, this is plus 3, guys. Wow. This is plus 3, so y will be equal to 5. The value of y is 5, not minus 1. Y is equal to 5. So the value of xy will be equal to minus 1 into 5. So the answer is minus 5. Okay, simple two linear equation you will get. Solve the linear equation, you will get the answer. This is a easy question again. So equation of two matrices. So go for matching of the corresponding elements. So x plus y is equal to 0. X minus y is equal to 0. Correct? Huh? So I'm going to add these two. So when I add these two, 2x equal to 0. So x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Y is also 0. Y is also 0. Fine. So x and y are 0. Ready? X and y are 0. So this is gone because x they have taken minus 1. This is also gone. So the answer is between this and this. Let us go for z now. So x plus z is equal to 1. So 0 plus z is equal to 1. Z will be equal to. So correct answer is option A. 0, 0. Okay, you are ready. Easy question ಇದಲ್ಲ. So f of x can be reduced to 1 minus x square because 1 plus x into 1 minus x is 1 minus x square, we know it. Because x into 1 and 1 into x will get cancelled. So minus x square. So we need to find f of a. So f of a is nothing but 1 minus that a square. A is the matrix. So get the value of that. Square I am doing here. First row, first column. 1 plus 4, 5. So 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2. So 4 plus 1. So this will give me 5, 4, 4, 5. 5, 4, 4, 5. So 1 minus 5, 4, 4, 5. So this will give me minus 4, 1. 1 can be written as I, by the way. 1 can be written as I. This value is I. Okay. So let me write the values now. Because 1 numerically, natural number, it is 1. But when it is converted into matrix, it will become I. So 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 5, 4, 4, 5. Only one to answer. So the answer will be 1 minus 5 will give me minus 4, 4, 4. This is minus. Minus 4. This is minus 4. Alright. So this is minus 4 again. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 4. So I can take minus 4 outside and I get 1, 1, 1, 1. The correct answer is option. Okay. Note idana. So what I did here, f of a is equal to 1 minus a square. So this can be written as I minus a square. 1 is replaced by I because natural number 1 has no meaning here. It has to be converted into matrix. So I minus a square. So that answer is this. First row, first column, minus 2x plus 5y. Second row, first column, 3x minus y. Second row, first column, 3x minus y. First row, first column, 3 ones are 3 minus 2. Second row, first column, 9 minus 4. So minus 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. 3x minus y is equal to 5. I'm going to multiply this with 5 because this 5y is here. So what will I get? I will get 15x minus 5y is equal to 25. Okay, we can call this as equation 1. Equation 2. Add ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡನ್ನು. Equation 1 plus 2 will give me 13x is equal to 25 minus 1. So 25 minus 1. Let me check once again. 26. Yeah, it's proper. So this is 1 plus 2, right? So 1 plus 25 will be 26. Perfect. So the answer is 2. X equal to 2. So where is x equal to 2? This will be the answer. Hashtag. That's all. 1 plus 2 I am doing. So 13x plus 0 is equal to 26. X equal to 2. Y ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಬರೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದೇನು ಬೇಡ. It is understood. ನೋಡಿ 3 to the 6. 6 minus 1 will be equal to 5. So y is equal to 1, obviously. Okay, students. 17th question, there is a mistake in the question actually. So you 2 theta ಆಗಬೇಕಿದು. 2 theta, and this is 3 pi by 12. Okay, fine. Let us. So this is a very simple question now. So we need to find the given that a plus a dash or at is equal to I. At means a transpose. So a transpose cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. This will be equal to 1 0 0. All right. So this will give me 2 cos theta, 2 cos 2 theta, 0 0, 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 1 0 0. Very easy. Now students, if you observe carefully, 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು. 2 cos 2 theta is equal to 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So cos 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 theta is equal to 60 degree ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಪ್ಪ? Because cos 60 is 1 by 2. So theta is equal to 30 degree. 30 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ pi by 6. Pi by 6 will be the answer. The answer is option A. Very very easy. Okay. This is the basic question. For any square matrix, A plus A dash is symmetric, A minus A dash is skew symmetric. So the answer is skew symmetric. So ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಬೇಡ ನೀವು. So it is a property. A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric for any square matrix. Whatever the matrix they give, it doesn't matter. So this is the property. So the answer is option D. This is given to you, students. Okay. So when this is given to you, AB will be equal to BA ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. We can conclude that straight away. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೇನೆ A square minus B square ಬರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೋಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. I'm going to multiply A into A plus B into A. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ A into A plus B into A minus A into B minus B into B. Minus B into B. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So A into A plus B into A minus AB minus BB is equal to A square minus B square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Fine. Now students, if you observe carefully, so this will be A square plus BA minus AB minus B square is equal to A square minus B square. Now by seeing the equation, it is understood that these values are deleted, alva, because they are equal. So what I am left with? I am left with BA is equal to AB or AB is equal to BA. This is what I am left with. Alright? So this is ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. BA is equal to AB or AB is equal to B. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅವೇ ನಾನು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು AB ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ BA ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. AB ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ BA ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. AB ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ BA ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ A inverse whole square. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ AB need not be equal to BA. But in this question it is equal. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. In this special case it is equal. AB is equal to BA. So A into A inverse will become my I by the definition of A inverse. So B into I is B by the definition of identity. So the answer is B square. B square will be my answer. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So I've come to the the simplification. AB is equal to BA. So AB ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ BA ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. A into A inverse is I. BI is B. B square. Okay, we'll move to the last question. Yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು A square ಮಾಡಿ A cube ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇದು A square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ A square ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 1 1 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 3 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಮಾಡಿ A square ಮಾಡಿ. A cube can be written as A square into A again. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 3 1 3 3 plus 3 plus 3 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ 9 9 9 9 9 9 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So here n is equal to 2. Here n is equal to 3. So when we look at the options here, so idaagalla idu 3 square hakadre nange 9 ಬರಬೇಕು. So this cannot be the answer. A ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ possible ಇದೆ 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So 3 3 3 3 3. Next n is equal to 2. 3 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 3 square 9. So it is satisfied. So no need to check the other one. It will be correct only. So the correct answer is option B. You have to catch the pattern ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So pattern ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ A power 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, A power 3 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A power 1 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗ್ಲಿ. A power 1 ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ n is equal to 1 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. So n 1 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3 power 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 power 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 1 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3, which is not the answer. Okay. So by checking for n is equal to 1 2 3, we are arriving at option B as the answer. That will be enough. Okay students, that was for this class. I am going to continue with the home assignment. Please go through that. As you know, this chapter is very easy and highly scoring. Okay, see you all.